Overview of the Ford Granada as a symbol of affordable luxury. Brief introduction to the automotive landscape of the 1970s and 1980s. Historical context. The state of the automotive industry in Europe during the 1960s and 1970s. The rise of the middle class and demand for more luxurious vehicles. Ford's strategy to compete with European luxury brands. Development of the Ford Granada. Initial concept and design, 1969 to 1972. The idea behind creating a mid-range luxury sedan. The design process led by Ford's European division. Launch of the first generation, 1972. Introduction of the Granada at the 1972 London Motor Show. Initial specifications, engine options, and trim levels. Marketing strategies used to promote the Granada. Features and innovations. Interior comfort and luxury. High-quality materials used in the interior. Advanced features for its time, such as air conditioning and plush seating. Performance and handling. Engine options and performance capabilities. Comparison with competitors in terms of ride comfort and handling. Market reception. Sales figures and market impact upon release. Target audience and buyer demographics. Reviews from automotive journalists and consumer feedback. Evolution through generations. Second generation, 1977 to 1985. Changes in design and technology. Introduction of more efficient engines and improved safety features. Third generation, 1985 to 1994. Significant redesigns and updates to meet changing consumer preferences. The introduction of new technologies, such as fuel injection. Cultural impact. The Ford Granada in popular culture, films, television. Iconic status among classic car enthusiasts. Legacy and collectability. The Ford Granada's place in automotive history today. Collectability and restoration trends among enthusiasts. Influence on subsequent Ford models and competitors. Summary of the Granada's impact on the luxury sedan market. Reflection on its enduring legacy and relevance in automotive history.